Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of animation add-ons documentation series, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to purchase animation add-ons pro plugin. So to purchase you need to visit animation-addons.com and then you can go to the very bottom of the home page, or you can click on the pricing and then you will be direct to the pricing page. And here we have a different package, and here we have all the feature listed. That here we have a different package and you can choose any package that you need. So for now I'm going to click on this, the one side license, and now you can see that here we have an options to pay. So I'm gonna fill up the informations and then I'm going to pay. Yeah, I have just completed my purchase, and you can see that I have the receipt here. This is the license. Here you can, from here you can check your invoice. This is the subscription details. If I want to download the pro plugins and the free plugins, I can do this here. So also if you check your email address, and you can see that the purchase receipt, this is my purchase receipt. Also if I want to log in into the portal to actually manage my license, manage my domain and everything, I can do that. So I'm going to set my password. So I'm going to save my password. So and then I'm going to click on the login. You can see that my username is my email actually, and the password that I just set. So I'm going to give my password here and then log in. So you can see that I have been logged in into the store.wilcura portal, and from here I can go to the dashboard, or better I need to go to the main website, and from if I click on the download or the dashboard, you can see that this is my purchase history, and I can download the plugins from here. So I'm gonna click on this to download the pro versions. So yeah, this is how you can actually purchase the animation add-ons. If you have any questions or if you have any problem with the purchasing the plugins, you can always just chat with the live support. The support team is very active, and they will be replied within an hour, I think. So you will get the quick response from them. So yeah, thank you for watching, and thanks for loving animation add-ons.